Okay, we've got the fried baked potatoes fried. We got that burnt crispy bacon. It's actually really good. That's how my father made it. And then we've got this salad kit. We're gonna have crispy fried bacon with this salad kit. It's got pepitas and stuff. And a bit of cheese. This is smoked Gouda. Okay, so we've got this salad with the cheese, and I put pepper on it. I like pepper. You've got the bacon with the sauce, the crispy bacon with the sauce, and then you got the fried taters. Delectable. We gotta mix this sucker up. We gotta mix it up. Alright, good enough for the video. I mean, it's not bad. It's good. It's just a salad. I mean, just a salad. It's got cilantro in there. It ain't just a salad. I don't have any tomatoes. That's what the ketchup's for. God, we thank you for this feast. Amen.